Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today, in honor of Mardi Gras in New Orleans, we're going to be making an easy recipe of the king cake. I'm going to be showing you the ingredients and going step by step on how to make that delicious king cake. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to preheat the oven to 350. 350 right there. Okay, now we're preheating the oven and we're gonna need this bundt cake pan. That's what the recipe calls for. And also 2 of these, those crescent rolls of 8 ounces each. I got these that says sweet Hawaiian. I got that one, but usually you can just get the regular ones that they're not sweet at all. So you're gonna need 2 of those. Okay, so let's start with that. Okay, so let's open the crescent rolls. Perfect. So they come wrapped like this, and they have like a seam here, which is where you separate them. And they come in triangles, as you can see here. So let's go back to the bundt pan. So the recipe says 2. Let me put it on the plate. It doesn't say anything about greasing the pan or anything like that. So we're just gonna do as they say, just on the top here. Just make sure it sticks to the pan so it doesn't get any air bubbles. Bring it up. If this wasn't a video that I watched, this was an actual recipe that I found in, I think it was allrecipes.com. I think that's where it was. It didn't have video or anything, so I'm just going by what the recipe indicates. Okay, and it says to overlap them. So this is the thick part. Overlap them and connect them here. Overlap them here too. Start to do it first. Remember, this king cake is for Mardi Gras, and it's supposed to have a baby inside. A baby doll is like a little plastic baby doll that you put inside, and whoever gets the baby doll, I guess, it gets good luck or something like that. Make sure that you attach them one to the other one down here, because when we put the filling, it doesn't seep through. Now I'm gonna continue doing the whole thing, and I'll come back when I'm all done, but I mean, you get the idea. Okay, so I didn't use the whole thing. It was just like half of the other one, and this is what it looks like. Okay, now we're gonna make the mixture. The oven is already preheated. We're gonna put this to the side over here, and I'm gonna tell you the other ingredients that we're gonna be needing. That's the baby. That's the baby that goes inside the king cake. In a mixing bowl, I'm gonna use this mixing bowl. Okay, now you're gonna need a mixing bowl. We're gonna make the filling. Gonna put 4 ounces of cream cheese. I have 8 ounces here. We only need 4 ounces. We're also gonna need 1/3 cup. This is 1/3 cup of light brown sugar. You got it here. We're also gonna need 1/4 cup of confectioner's sugar. I have it here. Here is the confectioner's sugar. Confectioner powdered sugar. We're gonna need that too. 1/4 cup of that. We're gonna need 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. So 2 tablespoons is up to here. I'm gonna cut that now. And 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon. This ground cinnamon has sugar in it, so it should be really, really good. 1 tablespoon of that, and 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So we're gonna combine all of those ingredients in here. Okay, so the cream cheese, it's gonna be half of the cream cheese. And I have my hand mixer there. This is the easy way to make this king cake. It's not the traditional way. It's just an easy way to make it. If you really want to make the traditional one, it's with dough and you have to knead the dough and everything. Okay, 2 tablespoons of butter. Let's just cut it right here. Yeah, because I'm going to be doing it with a hand mixer, but I want to make sure that they don't get stuck too much. 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, ground cinnamon. 1 tablespoon. Okay, there we go. 1 tablespoon. So 1.5, so teaspoon. 1 teaspoon, and let's just measure it here. Yeah. Okay, so let's mix this together. Look kind of thick. Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm gonna continue mixing with a fork.
Doesn't taste like a cake mixer?
No, the cake mix es esto. It's not really a cake mix, es más como si fuera un pan. Yeah, this is more like, they call it king cake, but it's like a bread. Basically, is what it is. It still has little lumps of cream cheese, but I think that's going to be a problem. We're going to drop it here. We're gonna fill all the there with this filling. I think that should be pretty good. I'm gonna cheat here, and instead of putting 1 baby, I'm gonna put 5 or 6. I won't let them know until they cut it and eat it. So just fold it in. Okay, so now we're gonna bake it and it's already in 350. So 350 timer, 27 minutes. Start. It is done. Let's see it here. Oh man, that looks delicious. Okay, now we have to wait till it cools like about 5-10 minutes before we put the glaze on there. So let's just leave it there for a little bit. Okay, and let's let it cool. It says to cool it on a wire rack. I didn't take out the wire rack before, so we'll just let it stand there for a little bit. Okay, so now I'm gonna turn it onto a plate. Whoa, came out easy. Huh, not bad at all. Not bad at all. This is nice. Now what we're gonna make is the icing that goes on top. Okay, I'm gonna make the icing on this little bowl. It shouldn't be that much. For the icing, we need 1/2 cup of confectioner's sugar. Let me put this over here. 1 tablespoon of milk. 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract. The colors for Mardi Gras, which are purple, yellow, gold, and green. Okay, it was still a little bit warm, so I put it in the refrigerator, the cake. So in the meantime, we're gonna make the icing. We need 1/2 cup of the confectioner's sugar and 1 tablespoon of milk. Okay, 1 tablespoon of milk and 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract. It says imitation, but that's what I got. Now we're going to okay, it's a little bit liquidy. So let me put more confectioner's sugar. Yeah, let me put a little bit more. Okay, so I put a teaspoon more of the confectioner's sugar. 1 teaspoon more, and it's better. Okay, now we're gonna bring the cake back out. Still a little bit warm, but we're gonna try drizzling. Purple. Yay! Now when we're ready to eat, I'm gonna go ahead and take a video of when we cut it so you can see the baby, who gets the baby. You know my little secret. Okay, here we go. Okay, so here's my family, and we are going to cut
The king cake.
the king cake.
The king or queen cake?
Call it king cake.
What I got here.
It's not like it's not like a cat, bro. Yeah.
There we go. Let's see who gets the baby.
I think I see it.
Yeah,
See
I
it?
got it.
You got it? No
So
way.
he don't got
Yeah.
it. So you're the king for one.
Dale, keep.
That's
On the first try?
Can we guess what?
I think mom bamboozles and 2 more babies in there.
Mom would not bamboozle.
Look!
Oh, I love it how I would never.
I knew it!
Like the whole bag. Oh, you see that? Every single one has.
Yeah.
This one doesn't have one.
That is so funny. I think every.
It doesn't have one? Me have.
I'm mad at this.
Go ahead.
I think you
This one has.
I like it. Not able.
I'll stay as the prince.
Yeah. Actually, Ivan is the king because he didn't get one.
Oh, is that how it is?
No.
No, it's not.
Oh. Oh,
That nigga was got baby Jesus.
I got baby rock on it. My baby has a mohawk.
Ah, this cake is delicious.
Está rico, ¿verdad? It's delicious.
Super
Yeah, it is.
delicious.
Yeah, because it has the flavor of the almond and the cinnamon. It's really good. And it's really easy to make. You saw how easy it was. Okay? So,
It is good.
thank you so much for watching.
So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification button.
Yes. And may God bless you and keep you safe. Always.
And happy Mardi Gras.
Happy Mardi Gras. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.